Demonstration of my worm gear focuser for the RedCat51. From the park position, I can call it to focus in. Selecting preset locations. Back out to park. Now 675 increment steps. Okay. Now 20 steps. Extremely fine motion. The worm ratio is 120 to 1. I can turn it manually. And this knob is visible in the dark. The motor itself has a 50 to 1 ratio, which allows it to be very small. Together with the ratio 120 to 1 here, I have a total gear reduction of 6,000 to 1. It's connected through a simple telephone wire to a WaveShare stepper motor controller hat, controlled by a Raspberry Pi 4, powered by lithium-ion battery through a 12-volt trigger. And I'm running Indie K-Stars. I'll just park it. In this position, the lens shroud collapses and can be stored in this position. That is all. Thanks for watching.